Guys and teacher Violet Fa. My name is Ava and I'm 11 years old. I'm studying at grade 5 in An Khánh A Primary School. I live in Hanoi City of Vietnam. In my school, I learn many subjects, but my favorite subject is English because I can make friends around the world to learn English. In my free time, I like listening to music and reading a book. My favorite color is black, and I really love pizza and chocolate milk. I have a funny family. My parents, my younger brother, and me. We sometimes go for a walk on week. Thank you for listening to me read. Goodbye, teacher and guys.